Your summer table doesn't have to get packed away just quite yet. In today's video, I'm showing you how I take my summer table and transition it to a warmer early fall look without having to start from scratch. So I like to think of this as layering, not replacing. So this white tablecloth and the chiffon runner are gonna stay exactly where they are. And this is gonna allow us to keep things light and neutral, but we are gonna warm it up with a couple of swaps. So the first and most obvious swap that we need to make is getting rid of the summer blooms and swapping it out with something that's a little bit more fall neutral. So whether you've got faux or fresh flowers, especially if they're bright colors, time to put them away. And swap it out with something like this. Anything dried is a really great go-to, whether it's pampas grass, wheatgrass, bunny tails, any of that will work because not only is it neutral in color and will go with any type of vase that you have, it also adds a lot of texture, and fall is definitely a season of textures. You have your natural elements like wood and grass and leaves, and this will go with any type of fall decor that you have. Next, we gotta bring in some warmth, and amber is such a great color for that because not only is it warm tone, it's fairly neutral, so it can go with any new or existing decor that you have. So I've got these amber pedestal vases, and they are glass, so we're gonna be careful with them. And I'm just gonna place them on each side of our wheatgrass centerpiece. Now you could add just some flowers or vase filler and stop here for the everyday fall look, but we are gonna go full table setting. So I'm gonna be using these faux wood chargers, and these are going to help ground the place setting and create a little bit of contrast between this and the white linen. And I'm just topping these off with some existing white dinner plates that I already have. Now you can use what you have on hand. Of course, you can get some acrylic disposable ones if you're not wanting to do the dishes. It's okay to use what you've got. In fact, sometimes it makes a little bit more sense to mix some new with some old. We are definitely leaning into the wood here, as you can tell. These are reusable faux wood salad plates that I'm just gonna place directly on top of the white dinner plates. So I am gonna keep it nice and warm with just some simple nude napkins. If you're looking for a cutlery option, I love this set of nude and gold. Not only are they clean and beautiful, they look so much more expensive than they actually are. The best thing about these is they are completely disposable. If you have any summer candles, any bright colors on the table, now's the time to swap them out. And one of my favorite ways to do that is to add taper candles. And we're gonna do that with, again, some more amber. Got these beautiful, really pretty amber taper candle holders. I am using both white and ivory taper candles because this is what I have on hand. Use whatever you have, but do try to keep it as neutral as possible. We are, again, going for neutral and warm here. So like I said earlier, you can utilize these vases for anything that works for you, whether that is vase filler or florals, but another thing that you can utilize them for is lighting. I've got some LED candles here. You can also use tea light candles if you want a real flame, and just simply pop it in there for some extra cozy, warm lighting. Now, if you want something that's a little bit more modern than the vase look, then I highly, highly recommend getting one of these tabletop lamps. They are so pretty, and like, they're kind of modern, but also kind of Gatsby. And these are amazing because they are designed to either take a tea light candle or an LED candle, and you can simply swap it out. And look at that. Like, it's so beautiful. Let's do that to the other side. And there you have it, a warm, neutral, early fall look that's super easy to transition from summer and is a really easy way to showcase some new fun decor pieces, but also use a little bit of what you have at home. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.